So Jade, you got to see this house.
Where are we? We're in Fort Lauderdale. No, I said the wrong question as soon as we started.
Follow my lead.
Damn it. All right, redo.
Okay. Jade, you got to check out this house.
I'm excited.
It's amazing, new construction. No one has lived here. Check it out.
How much is it?
It's $4 million.
Okay, easy.
So after you. When we look at new construction,
Yeah.
every new construction isn't beautiful, right?
Yeah.
And this one is. So tell me the things that really stand out to you.
The first thing is the ceiling height. This is super high. So really maybe good for like a basketball player, someone
Right.
who needs space. Like this is a big entryway. Like look at the size of the door. When you come in, it's just so open, you know?
Yeah.
Really, it's interesting though, because we sell a lot of new construction, but some of the stuff doesn't have good finishes.
Yeah.
So that's kind of, I think, one of the things that we can look into to see if it's good or not.
Okay, so let's see the
Yeah.
finishes. So when you see the appliances, when
Yeah.
you see a kitchen like this,
Yeah.
what are you thinking? Is this low end, high end, mid end?
No, this is really high end. Wolf Appliances having 4, it's obviously expensive. You have the cooktop here, so when you're cooking, you can be talking to people here,
Right.
you know, because I'm always cooking. Just kidding, I'm not. I'm usually running, as you can tell. And then when you're doing the dishes, you don't have to look at anyone.
Right.
Hello?
Not every shoot goes as
Yes,
planned.
this is Jade.
Sometimes we gotta work.
Okay, this just in from Mexico City. This house is padrísimo. Okay, so let's look at the finishes here. I mean, I love the floor. What kind of floor is this? It's like
Is it-
tile, but I mean,
Is it porcelain?
Yeah, I think it's porcelain tile, but I like the design, right?
Yeah, they're huge, right?
Yeah, and the bigger the tile, the
More expensive.
more expensive. And I like this here, the panel, like how like it's a lighter wash, because sometimes they're doing like so dark that it
Right,
makes the kitchen
right.
dark. Where's the fridge?
There.
Oh, okay. Whoa, wow, that is a organized. This is such a Jade freezer. Look at the Italian ices. I love it. So how many bedrooms are there?
So there's 4 bedrooms. That's like a 5th one over there.
Okay, like a little office over there. Okay.
Yeah, we're just under an acre.
Okay,
And
huge.
yeah, and it's about 4,300 square feet, give or take. When you see the master bathroom, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. It's awesome.
And I like their wallpaper that they did like
Yeah, super
it's
high
textured.
end.
Yeah, it's not just like some cheap stuff. It's real, you know, wallpaper.
Yeah, the owner had a very, very high end interior decorator
could tell.
do all this stuff. So it's spacious. You can't tell in the video, but it's very spacious.
Yeah, it's big. It's real. It's a nice like master section. I like that you have this like entrance here.
Yeah.
So you're like really kind of separated from the other bedrooms. I love that paneling too behind the TV. I love this. Derek said he would just be hanging out here on the bench all day. No one can find him. It's back here. Oh.
And you have the Toto. There it goes.
Oh, whoa! Hi. This closet's great.
Yeah, it is.
I just don't know where his closet would be. No, I'm just kidding. And then, did you open this before? There's a safe room back here.
Yes,
You see that?
there is.
So it's like, in case someone comes to get you,
There's a safe room.
you could be locked in there.
Yep.
I like this lighting.
Yeah, all these details that you notice when you don't have them.
Yeah, and they're sometimes hard to see in a video. You know, I
Right.
mean, you can't like put the doors
quality
or
of that,
quality doors, the lighting system. What does this do? Say you turn it on.
I wouldn't press it.
Look, but look how many, 1, 2,
The
3,
showers,
4,
yeah,
5.
shower heads and the rain head.
That's really cool.
Did I show you the media room yet?
No.
Oh, let's check it out.
But that's where I would be hanging out, doing abs. Probably not the required. Yeah, I really do love their wallpaper here.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Like this. So could someone buy it with the furniture?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's negotiable
Okay. Cool.
because the furniture is ultra
Yeah, you
high
can tell.
end.
I mean, it. Like I was saying before, it's really pretty, but it's all
Comfortable,
also
too.
you know what I mean? Like you could tell that it's something you can use. It's not just like that really pretty stuff that sits in a corner and you can't
you don't
use.
want to be
exactly,
in it. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, this is great. I mean, you could like have a whole preview party.
You could probably fit 50 cars outside, and you can have like 20 here.
Definitely an entertainer's home. This is the light.
Yeah.
Oh, so they have like a dim it. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's really
all
cool.
sorts of things.
I like these shutters too. Do they stay open or they?
I think it's just like that.
I love that panel.
Oh yeah,
love,
it's amazing.
Super nice. First of all, whoever made these beds,
right?
seriously, some serious. I mean, you could get tucked in like a baby into these things. Like even the sheets, like the quality of the sheets. But this is like some kind of suede. I've never seen that in Miami.
Oh, it's suede?
Yeah, I feel it. Cool, right?
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but it feels cool.
It feels like suede. I don't
You
know.
feel like touching it.
Yeah, I know. And the furniture, I would, if I were gonna buy it,
Yeah.
I would buy it with the furniture because it's such nice furniture. So then 2 more bedrooms here.
And then
I don't
again,
think this one's suede. No, it's not. Closets.
all the closets are built in.
Yeah, these are like doors.
Yeah,
you know? These
high
are
quality.
real, like they're actually kind of heavy. Yeah, I like that.
Even the lights and all these things are just cool.
And like the AC, the linear vents.
Right.
All of that kind of stuff. So this is like the second biggest bedroom.
Yeah,
right?
it's a good size.
Yeah. Oh, the closet's nice too. I like this closet. Walk in. Oh, look for all your ties. I guess I don't wear them.
And you see like the
texture
walls,
on the
yeah.
wallpaper as well is super nice. And then the bath here. The rain shower. And even this one has has the rain shower and the handle. It's nice.
One of the nicest things that we haven't seen so far is the pool. And
the pool.
Yeah.
Well, it's hot enough to go in it. So. Do they open all the?
Yeah.
It's not like ruin the AC in the house right now, but that's okay. Yeah, like even the outdoor furniture is nice.
Yeah,
right?
it is.
Wow, it's a big backyard.
The pool is huge. It's like 45 feet or so, something like that.
Feels good. Oh look, there are little stools
Yeah.
for like
you
a
saw.
bar. And here, my mom would freak out because she
She'd
would
be
do
there.
like water aerobics things, you know. It's a big pool.
Yeah.
And the hot tub, it's nice.
And no one lives in back of them either.
Oh really? What is that?
Yeah.
Is it like a
It's a
private
street.
road?
Yeah. And the view from here is pretty nice.
It's like so quiet over here.
Yeah.
It's a whole different world from Edgewater, right?
So Jade,
Yeah. Do I want to buy it? Do I want to write the check?
what do you think about it?
I love it. I think the details in the house are super nice. I think it's super private, for someone that
Right.
needs privacy.
So for me, I think it's like someone that's moving from
York?
California,
Okay.
New York, or somewhere like that.
Likes quality.
Probably has a decent sized family,
Mm-hmm.
and everyone wants their room, and they want a pool, because everyone that doesn't live in Miami wants a pool,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
What would you say is your favorite part about the house? Is it hard? Because there are
It's
a lot
hard
of
because
things.
there really are a lot
So
of things.
what are the favorite things that you like about the house?
I love like the way it's designed with the furniture. I would definitely buy it with the furniture because the furniture is perfect for the house.
Right.
I think a lot of developers, Miami has a lot of developers, right?
Right.
We know that. And unless they pay top dollar, which typically means they're doing it for themselves, they're not going to have like the best of the best finishes and everything. And when they do, it's usually not something they're going to sell. It's usually for them.
Right.
Because they know they could do it, but it just doesn't make sense from like a financial perspective.
Right.
So yeah, the quality of this house is really high. I love the media room because everyone watches Netflix, right? So at night, that's like, you know, the perfect thing to do, you know, unwind, watch Netflix. I mean, I would be doing abs. Like I could.
That would be your room.
This is the ab Netflix room because that's when I do it, right? When I'm
Right.
watching TV.
I'm eating.
Yeah, most people are. But yeah, that's a perfect like relax after work kind of room.
Right.
And I like the office too.
I like the finishes because, like you said, we're in Miami, and not every,
Yeah.
you know, when people advertise new construction, what does that mean,
Yeah.
right? It means usually you go into a house and then you have to spend a lot of money to make it how
Yeah,
you want to make
exactly.
it. In this one, I don't think there's anything to do.
No, you don't have to do anything.
Yeah, well, thanks for spending the last hour with us. We appreciate that.
Yeah, we hope you come and see the
The home.
house.
And if you need the details, we'll share them with you.
yeah. Thanks for watching.